Hello everyone, welcome to today's job. As you know, LBC Exterior Cleaning, they do a wide range of exterior cleaning jobs, roofs, patios, etc. They also do their regular bin cleaning round and commercial bin cleaning round. But today they're cleaning a bin chute, which is something a little bit different. So I'm just here on site at this block of flats in Hackney, and I'm going to liaise with Danny and John, and they're going to show us how they clean bin chutes. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Doing a chute clean. Demo for a customer. This is a complete chute clean on a tower block with a specialised winch system and sprayer to clean the chute all the way up and back down again from all that dirty, disgusting mess that's left from that household waste. Right, so we're set up here at the chute with the camera crew ready, so you can see, as you can see, we've got our specially designed head which powers up and cleans up and down through the chute with high pressure and winch from the top of the system. We're going to take a quick preview now so you can see how disgusting these chutes really are, and then you will see an after effect of what it's like once the system's been cleaned. So here, this is our high pressure head which we use for chute cleaning. We have our hose attaching just on the bottom here, which then puts our pressure of 2.5 bar through the jets, and these will spin like this very fast as it's going up the chute to clean all aspects and areas of the chute itself.
So we're looking down at ground floor. The chute comes all the way up here. This is the top deck. This is the winch here. That is going to lift the pressurised cleaner through the chute. You can see filthy down there. So we're looking forward to seeing the results. You've seen how dirty it is. So now it's time for the clean.
So now we're going to connect our high pressure line to a special tool for the winch. And now we'll have a guy up the top of the stairs, and he'll be winching this up. Once he's up into there, we'll turn the power on and get this jet wash going, and you'll see a load of water coming out, and obviously as it goes up it'll be washing all the tubes all the way up, including the door hatches, and then when come back down it gives it a thorough rinse down again, still same pressure, cleaning, and then at the end result we'll take you back up so you can see the insides again. Always use my safety shades. Right, Mick, let's start up for us.
So we've got John here, winding it up. All that grime and dirt being cleaned out. All that grime.
Right, stop there.
Right, so that's the cleaning bit done, as you can see around Danny's feet. This is all the excess dirt and grime that's hit the bottom. So, Danny, talk us through it. What do you reckon? Good clean?
Yeah, good clean. So far I'm happy with the results that I can see. I mean, if you want to stick your head in and just have a quick little peek, you can see it's took away quite a lot. There's still some little bits here, but we clean this after here with the power lance as well when we're doing the bin store area. So we also clean all the door hatch and the chute on the bottom entry here.
Oh, lovely. So you spruce it up all down here?
Yeah, the chute cleaner will only clean the central shaft, not obviously the bin doors and things like that. So that is done manually by hand with the power lance as well.
Okay. So what happens now? What are you going to do now?
Now the boys are going to have a tidy up here. We're going to power wash the chute head in here and the door, the walls, sweep it all out, squeegee up, make it all nice and tidy here. All this entrance here, see all this grime on this and all the grime here, and then rinse the walls down and then squeegee all floor out, rinse the floor out. Done.
What are you up to, Mick? What is this?
This is disinfectant, and we're going to clean the chutes.
The chute.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, a little bit of deodorising and disinfecting. Right then.
Here we go.
So this block of flats is 6 floors, and as you can see, got Mick here. He's going up to every single floor. Nice little bit of deodorising, every chute on every level. So just deodorising every single level. Yeah, nice and clean for all the residents, eh?
Job done.
Job done. Well done, Mick. Every level, all 6 floors. Just here at the door, one of the bin chutes, and that's that bubblegum smell. Lovely. Great job, LBC. Great job. Right, so Danny's off. Well done, Danny. Thanks for explaining the bin chute.
Not a problem. So now you've seen our demonstration. Please, if you'd like your bin chutes done, get in contact. lbc.co.uk clean.
Lovely. Good advert there. I'll put the details for all the fans, but thanks for your help,
Like,
Danny.
subscribe and share.
Oh, he's the man, and he gets the business
As
going.
Kevin says.
So where are you off to anyway?
I'm now off to my second job, which is in Henley. I'm doing a bit of sanding and resealing of some patio areas and a driveway, which our guys carried out a clean on yesterday and the day before. So now go back and finish that one off completely.
Perfect. And you're going to leave Mick and
These guys
John?
are here. They're going to carry on doing their bins. They've got several bins. We've got a whole estate here in North East London, and they're going to carry on with this, and then they'll be on to their other jobs afterwards.
Wicked. All right, I'll leave you to it, Danny. Henley's a
soon.
long way away, so
Cheers, guys. Take care.
all the best. We're left with a big man here, Big John Stud. Right, so you're just going to do the clean up, yeah? Yeah.
Clean up.
Not only the bin chute and the bin area, but the steps that lead up to it. Going to get a little pressure wash. So the guys have just finished cleaning the bin chute and the area, and while they're here they're going to just continue with their normal bin cleaning round, and they're going to clean up this bin. What's this, John?
Dating the bins, so we know that we've done these ones this year, and then they, if anyone else comes here, they can see that we've done the bins, so they don't redo the bins.
Keeping a log so they know what's what. Cleaning the exterior of the bin first before it goes up. As you can see there, absolutely filthy, filled with flies, filled with gunk and rubbish. We've got John there, he's ready to rumble. As you can see there, a big difference, shiny and new. Mick just putting the bin back in situ, nice and clean, all ready for the residents. Lovely jubbly, eh? Job's a good one. And that, it's a brand new bin store, bin chute and bin. LBC cleaned. So there you have it, guys. That's how LBC Exterior Cleaning clean out a bin chute using their advanced pressure washing equipment. They also clean the bin store and the bins here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you are, please make sure you like and subscribe, and also leave any comments, any questions and any feedback. We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more LBC Exterior Cleaning videos.